Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. Today I am going to discuss the answers of the test. See here, from first, second and third lessons I have conducted the test now. See, the first one is what? Hard words. First one is V dash T dash M dash dash S. What is the answer? Did you guess? Yes, vitamins is the answer. VITAMINS. This is the answer. Vitamins. So I am writing here spelling of vitamins again. See here. This is VITA. Sorry. Now see here. VITAMIN. This is N. Okay. Yes, vitamins. VITAMINS. Second one is what? Digestion. What is the spelling of digestion, Nana? DIG. This is I. GESTION. Digestion. Okay, this is O. I am writing here digestion spelling DIGESTION. This is ION. Digestion. Third one is what? Plaque. What is the spelling of plaque? PLAQUE. Plaque. I am repeating it again. See here. PLAQUE. Plaque. Fourth one is what? Microbe. You don't know microbes? What is the spelling of microbe? MICROBES. Microbes. Okay, if I write everything, it's taking time. I am repeating again the spelling. You can check. MICROBES. Microbes. And the fifth one is what? First aid. What is the spelling of first aid? FIRST. First spelling you already know. Next, aid means what? AID. This is the spelling of the first aid. FIRST first, AID, aid. Next, sixth one is what, Nana? Fainting. What is the spelling of fainting? FAINTING. Fainting. Okay. FAINTING. Fainting. I am writing here. See here. FAINT. Faint. After that, ing. ing. Okay. If the hard words, if they are difficult for you, you should split that. So faint, FAINT is 1 and ing is 1. So finally what is this? Fainting. Now moving to the next bit. B bit. Choose the correct answer. See here. This diet includes all the nutrients. What is the option? Balanced diet or junk diet or none of this, Nana? Balanced diet. Okay. In this diet all the nutrients will be there. So which is the answer? A option. Balanced diet will include all the nutrients. Now moving to the second one. Which of the following minerals help in the formation of the bones and teeth? Which mineral? Iron or calcium or iodine? Calcium. So calcium mineral will help in the formation of the bones and teeth. Yes or no? Yes. Now moving to the third one. There are main dash kind of microbes. How many are there? 2 or 3 or 4, Nana? 4. 4 is the answer. There are mainly 4 kinds of microbes. Okay. Now moving to the fourth bit. I am zooming it. See here now. Fourth one. What is the question? This is the hardest part of the tooth. What is the answer? Enamel or root or pulp, Nana? Enamel. A option is the answer. Enamel is the hardest part of the tooth. Yes or no? Answer is enamel. Now moving to the fifth one. Which of the following is poisonous? Ice cream, naphthalene balls, toffees. Which is the answer? Naphthalene balls are poisonous. So option B is the right answer. Now moving to the sixth question. Avoid this if someone has fainted. Fainted means kallu dirigi padipodam. Okay. At that time, avoid means what? What we should not do when someone has fainted, they are asking. Calling a doctor. If someone is fainted, if you call a doctor, no problem. B option is helping the person to lie down. Means what? Making him to sleep down. Okay. If you make him to lie down also, no problem. Third option we shall see here. Crowding at the place. Crowding means gumpu goodadam. Okay. If we crowd at the particular place, will the patient will get any air? No. So we should avoid this one if someone has fainted. What is the answer? Crowding at the place. So option C is the right answer. Now moving to the fill in the blank. See bit. See here. First one. Dash is made in liver and helps to digest fats. What did I told? One juice, special juice will be there, I told. Bile. What is the spelling of bile? B-I-L-E. Yes or no? Bile spelling is what? B-I-L-E. Bile. Second one. The part of plant food that cannot be digested is called as dash. What did I told? Whatever the food that cannot be digested is called as what? Roughage or fiber food. Anything you can write. I am writing here roughage. Okay, you can write fiber food also. What is the spelling of roughage, Nana? R-O-U-G-H. Rough spelling you already know. For that you add age spelling. Roughage. R-O-U-G-H-A-G-E. Roughage. Okay. Now moving to the third one. Disease causing microbes are called dash. What is the name of the disease causing microbes? Germs. Yes or no? The answer is germs. Spelling of germs is what? G-E-R-M-S. Yes or no? The disease causing microbes are called as what, Nana? Germs. Fourth one. Dash are the front teeth that have sharp flat edges. The front teeth name is what? Which consists of the sharp flat edges? What did I told? Incisors. Yes or no? What is the spelling of incisors, Nana? This is I, okay? I-N-C-I-S-O-R-S. So, incisors, this is R, yes, okay? See here, I. Incisors are the front teeth that have sharp flat edges, yes or no? Next, fifth one, what is there? We should cross the road at dash crossing only. Where we should cross the road, Nana? Zebra crossing. So, what is the spelling of zebra? You all know. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. So, we should cross the road at zebra crossing only. Sixth one. We should avoid wearing dash clothes as they can catch fire easily. Which type of clothes we should not wear when we go into the kitchen? Synthetic clothes. Yes or no? What is the spelling of synthetic? S-Y-N-T-H. Yes or no? S-Y-N-T-H-E-T-I-C. This is the spelling of the synthetic. I am repeating again. S-Y-N-T-H-E-T-I-C. Synthetic means what? Nylon, rayon, crepe. This type of clothes will be there. No. If you wear such type of clothes and go into the kitchen, what will happen? Immediately they can catch fire easily. So, while bursting the crackers or while you are working in the kitchen, you should not wear this synthetic clothes. That means nylon, rayon, crepe, such type of clothes. And now moving to the fourth bit, true or false. So, see here, first one, what is there? 1 minute. First question I am reading it. All microbes are harmful to us. Is it right? No. I told that some microbes are useful to us and some microbes are harmful to us. But here they are saying all are harmful to us. So, this answer is false. I am writing here F. If it is true, I am writing as T, and if it is false, I am writing as F. So, all microbes are harmful to us means answer is false. So, I wrote here F. Now, moving to the second question. The soft and pink fleshy part around the teeth is called as the gum. Yes or no? Chigullu antam kada nana. So, the soft and pink fleshy part around the teeth is called as what? Gum. So, it is right. I am writing here true. True means T. Now, moving to the third one. Less than half of our body weight is water. Is it true? No. False. More than half of our body weight will be the water, but not less than. So, answer is what? False. I am writing here F. This is the F. Third one is F. I am writing here also. See, third one F. Now, moving to the fourth one. Fats give us quick energy. Yes or no? Yes. Fats will give the quick energy. So, it is true. I am writing here T. True. Two sides I am writing. Okay. If you got any confusion here near brackets, you can check here also. Fifth one is what? We should walk anywhere in the road? No. It is false. Anywhere, how can we road? How can we walk? No. It is false. So, first answer is false. Second one is true. Third is false. Fourth is true. And the fifth one is the false. Now, moving to the next question. Sixth question. Last question in the D bit. See here. What is there here? 1 minute. Okay, now is it clear? What is there here? Question 1, should always take a medicine after consulting a doctor. Yes or no? Definitely we should take the medicine what the doctor gives us. So it is true. After consulting a doctor we need, we should take the medicine after consulting a doctor immediately. So it is true. Now moving to the match the following. So first, what are there in the left side? Some questions are there, and right side A, B, C, D, E, F. Some answers are given. We should pair them. So we should match each one. First one, vitamin A. Vitamin A means what? Eyes. So vitamin A option goes to eyes. First answer is E. I am writing here as E. Second one, canines. How many canines are there, Nana? 4 canines are there. So second answer is D. Option D. Near to I am writing as D. Third one, iron means blood. Yes or no? Third option is what? B. So I am writing here B. Fourth one, molars. How many molars are there? 12. So fourth answer is F. I am writing here F. Okay. After F, fifth one, minor cut means what? When it is a minor, that means small cut. What we should do? Put a bandage on the affected area. Is it right? No. Minor cut means we should wash the cut with the antiseptic solution, or we should put a bandage on the affected area. If it is small, some only it is cutted. If we wash it, it is enough. So if it is a minor cut, what we should do? We should wash the cut with the antiseptic solution. So fifth option is what? C. And next, if it is deep cut, if it is cutted deeply, what we should do? That time we should tie a bandage. So deep cut means we should put the bandage on the affected area. So option A is the right answer. So first answer is E, second answer is D, third one is B, fourth is F, fifth is C, and sixth is the A. And now moving to the question answers. See here, question answers, what are there? Whole answers I am not writing, just I will tell in one word. Okay. See Nana, first question. Where does the digested food enter from the stomach? From where does the stomach, from where food will go from the stomach when it is digested? To the small intestine. So what you should write here? The digested food enters from the stomach into the small intestine. From stomach it is going into the small intestine, no? So what is the spelling of small intestine, Nana? Small spelling you all know, S-M-A-L-L, small intestine. What is the spelling of intestine? S-T-I-N-E, small intestine. Second one, write any 4 diseases caused by the microbes. I told you many diseases, any 4 you can write here. I am writing, see here, malaria, typhoid, polio, many I told no, ringworm, such one, all. Okay, all I can't write here. Some I am writing, see here, malaria, polio, small one I will write. See here, malaria, polio. Next one is what? Ringworm. This is R, Nana, R-I-N-G, ringworm. Typhoid. Okay, all I am writing. So I am writing 4. Whatever you know, you also can write those ones. So malaria, polio, ringworm, typhoid are the 4 diseases caused by microbes. You should write, okay, in full sentence. Next one. Moving to the third one. Name any 2 common emergencies that need the first aid. When do we need the first aid? Immediately, while when fainting or beasting, minor cut, minor burn, major burns, many I have told for you. So any 2 if you write enough. I am writing 2, you see here. Fainting I am writing kallu dirigi padipodam. Okay, fainting, F-A-I-N-T-I-N-G, fainting. One more I am writing when minor cuts I am writing here. You can write anything, okay, minor cuts, minor burns, major burns, fainting, beasting, okay, all this you can write, any 2 if you write enough. And the last one is what? Draw the first aid kit and label the parts. You know how to draw the first aid kit and should label the parts. Suppose if you have drawn scissors, there you should write scissors. If you drawn bandage, there you need to mention bandage. If tablets, you need to write there tablets. Okay, by this we completed the test, and in the next class I will start the 7th lesson. Thank you, and if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel Smart Study. Stay at home and be safe.